First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you who had come over here. You guys actually made it very, very difficult for us to come and come on a consensus on who will be the winner. Finally, by popular choice, we voted and Ujjwal came out to be the winner. But one request for all of you is speak up. When you speak up, then I would not say that it is going to build your confidence, because if you were school children, then speaking would build your confidence. For you guys, speaking up is going to build your character. Speaking up would help you, help others know you better, help you tell others that what kind of knowledge you have. And speeches have really done wonderful things. Remember the I Dream speech of King Luther? He actually changed and brought down the barriers of racism. President Nixon's speech actually got a man on the moon. So that is the power of speeches. And if you do not speak up, then I would compare you with something like probably coronavirus. Pessimists don't want to know you, they are scared of you. And optimists, they don't care about you, right? But nobody knows you, really. So do not become that. You should come out and speak up as much as possible. That is what my humble request is going to be.